Hello, grade 2 students. Welcome to a new lecture. In this lecture, we're going to learn about birds. How are birds different from other animals? But now you're going to watch a short video about birds and then I'll start explaining.
Hey guys! Are you ready to learn a few things about animals?
Animals! Animals!
Hey, don't repeat what I say.
Same!
Oh, always the same. Well, guys, today we are going to talk about another group of vertebrate animals, birds.
Birds!
Birds are oviparous animals, which means they are born from eggs. They walk with 2 legs, and they have 2 wings that allow them to fly. Although there are some birds like the ostrich and penguin that don't fly even though they have wings. The bird's skeleton is light because their bones are hollow. Birds can breathe thanks to their lungs, and they are warm-blooded. They eat with their beak that has no teeth. Ugh. Their body is covered in feathers. Did you know that the heaviest bird in the world is the ostrich? No wonder it can't fly. Poor thing. A bird that can fly is the eagle. Incredible!
Incredible!
You again? Watch what happens if I catch you.
Let's take a look at these birds. Now we're going to describe the colors of the feathers, the shapes of the beaks, and the different chirping of birds. Let's answer these questions together. What covers the body of a bird? Fur? No. It has moist skin? Of course, no. Feathers. The body of a bird is covered with feathers. How does a bird stay or keep warm? What do you think? Of course, because of its feathers. So now we have to know that the feathers warm up the body of a bird and its wings allow it to fly. We're going to learn more. How does a bird move? It flies and it can also walk. So it flies and walks. What body parts help it move each day? Of course, its wings and legs. I'm going to repeat the same sentence. The feathers warm up the body of a bird and its wings allow it to fly. Look at this blue bird. Do birds have teeth? No. They have beaks instead. If not, what do they have instead? No, they don't have teeth. They have a beak instead. Do all birds fly? No. Give an example. I chose the penguin. You can choose, for example, the duck. So, no. The penguin is a bird that does not fly. Can a bird live in water? No, of course no. Does it breathe with gills or with lungs? We all know that the fish breathes with gills because it lives in water, but the bird lives on land, so it breathes with lungs. How do birds make young? Are they mammals or birds? They are birds, so they lay eggs. Do birds care for their young? Of course they do. This way, as we can see. Birds Let's read this. They eat seeds and breathe with lungs. So remember that birds eat seeds and worms also. They breathe with lungs. Their body is covered with feathers. They have legs to walk and wings to fly. So what you have to know about birds, uh, the body of a bird is covered with feathers to keep them warm. All birds have wings, but not all birds can fly. For example, a penguin. A bird uses its beak to eat. It lays eggs in nests to make young, and it breathes with its lungs. Now, this is an activity that we can enjoy it at home. You can find it in your science book, page 65. What I have to do? I have to ask my parents for help first. They can draw this picture or just cut the paper. You have to collect some leaves and press them in a heavy book so that they will get flat and dry. Color the bird's head with red, the body with orange, the beak with yellow, the feet with black, and the wings with blue. You have to glue the dried leaves on the branches and the grass on the nest. Then you cut a hole on each side of the mother's beak. I'll show you where here. Okay? And then cut a piece of brown pipe cleaner or a stick. You can get a stick instead and stick it through the hole to make a worm, or you can get a toy maybe. So this is a nice activity at home. So now everyone, remember that birds are animals with no teeth. They have beaks instead. The feathers warm up the body of a bird and its wings allow it to fly. Birds breathe with their lungs. They differ from all other animals in their wings, feathers, and beaks. Don't forget to join the Zoom session. I love you.